In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make gradient in Affinity Designer. Let's get started by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Once you're in a document, make sure you're on a layer where you're comfortable experimenting. Gradients work best when you can clearly see them, so a medium gray canvas or a simple white background is perfect. Next, choose a shape to apply the gradient to. Click the Shape tool and pick something simple like a rectangle or ellipse, then drag on the canvas to draw it. Make sure the shape is selected so that your next changes apply to it. If you see both a fill and a stroke, remember that gradients apply to the fill by default. You can temporarily disable the stroke if it distracts from what you're doing. Before we add the gradient, set a base color using the controls at the top right of the interface. This is your fill color, and it will influence the first stop of your gradient. Ensure the fill swatch is active rather than the stroke swatch, then pick a color from the color wheel, sliders, or your swatches. You don't need to overthink it, this just gives you a starting tone. Now, on the left toolbar, click the Fill tool. This is Affinity Designer's gradient tool. With your shape still selected, click and drag across the shape. You'll see a line appear with handles at each end. That line defines the direction and length of the gradient. The end nodes represent your color stops, and the midpoint marker controls the balance between them. From here, adjust the gradient to get the look you want. Drag the start and end handles to change the angle and spread. To switch gradient types, use the options that appear along the top context toolbar: linear for simple blends, radial for spotlight effects, or elliptical and conical for more stylized results. To change colors, click a stop on the gradient line and then pick a new color from the top right color controls. You can add more color stops by clicking directly on the gradient line. Select any stop and fine-tune its color, opacity, or position to create smoother transitions. If you need to reverse the blend, use the reverse option in the context toolbar. Small adjustments go a long way, so nudge the midpoint and stop positions until the transition feels natural. That's it. Open Affinity Designer, draw a shape, choose a base color, enable the Fill tool, and refine your gradient until it looks just right. Save your document when you're happy, and you're done.